This is the QBUC fast wireless charger. It's QBUC. This is the box it comes in. It's presented very nicely, and unlike other fast wireless chargers that I have received, this one actually came with a plug and says adaptive fast charging. We're going to test that in a little bit. It also came with a micro USB cord, which a lot of the wireless chargers I have did come with a cable, but they didn't come with a plug. They just came with a cable. And I really like this cable because it's a lot more flexible than some of the ones you may get. Now, anytime I see a fast wireless charger that says it's a fast wireless charger, usually that's pretty indicative of the power supply you have plugged in. So the first thing I want to do is test this plug that came with the wireless charger alongside the actual Samsung branded charger and see if this charger is actually providing a true fast wireless charge. Let's take the Samsung charger. When I plug in my Samsung Galaxy S9 here, it says fast charging 29%. So the phone recognizes that it is plugged into a fast charging charger. When I look at the battery stats, it says there's a fast charger connected. Estimated charging time remaining is 1 hour 14 minutes, and the battery life is at 30%. Now, what we're going to do is use the charger that came with the QBUC wireless charger. So I'm just going to swap this cord straight over there, and we're going to see how well it stacks up. And as promised, the phone says this is a fast charger connected and 1 hour 14 minutes at 30%. So this is in fact a fast charger, which means that your wireless charging will go faster. Obviously, a wireless charger is not going to be as fast as a wired charger, but we'll see how much the phone estimates. So we'll plug this in here. And on the QBUC, there's 4 little kind of rubbery soft pads, and then the plug is right here. And like I said, it is a micro USB plug. This is black. This is a shiny piano black or fingerprint magnet black, depending on if you have kids in the house. It just sets like that, and as you can see on my glass desk, it pretty much blends in just about perfectly. If I set my phone there, the QBUC lights up and it says charging wirelessly 30%, about 2 hours 13 minutes until fully charged. So the wireless charging adds about an hour. Now, one thing I have noticed about this pad is depending on where the phone is placed, it may or may not detect that it is on the charger. So about here, right now, my phone does not detect that it's on a wireless charger. When I get closer to the middle of the phone, there it is. Now it says it's charging, and as I continue to move up, still charging and no longer charging. So the thing to be careful about with these kind of chargers is just make sure that you're hitting your phone in a place where it actually detects that there is a charger. The charging coils are in contact with it. I do have a mount on the back of my phone with a hole in it, so it charges through that. That's for my magnetic charger that I have in my car. As you can see on the charger itself, it lights up. The blue LEDs light up the QBUC on the face of the charger when it's charging, but when the phone is not on it, it turns off and it becomes pretty nondescript. So there it is. This is the QBUC wireless charger. It is a fast QI or Qi charging pad. Super thin. Wireless charging, it will work with any phone that supports Qi wireless charging. So your Samsung S7, S7 Edge, S8, your S9, and I believe your iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and your iPhone X as well should all be supported. I'm pretty happy with this wireless charger, but by far the best thing about this charger is that it comes with its own cable and its own plug, and that plug is a fast adaptive charger plug, which you're not going to find in a lot of wireless chargers that you'll find on Amazon. Now this does make up for it in the cost. Some of the other wireless chargers you'll see that don't have the plug with them are going to run anywhere from 10 to 15, maybe the $20 range, but most of them are going to be $15 or less. This one at the time of this review is $21.99 on Amazon, which is still really good for what you're getting. And there's also a coupon with it right now on Amazon, so you'll save an extra 5% if you apply the coupon. The QBUC wireless charger.